Hello, my name is Rahman Raponji. I'm from Vehicle Company. Nice to meet you, sir.
I'm Vincentius Dion Simamora. I am a manager at Goods Delivery Company. Nice to meet you, sir. Please sit down.
Okay, thank you. Okay, sir. Here I would like to offer comparison in processing vehicle as inventory for your office.
Okay, quite interesting. Can you explain the trends on the very shop?
This is the offer letter. We offer special package at competitive prices for the large parcels. Apart from that, we also provide scheduled vehicle maintenance and repair service. The minimum contract requirement is 3 years, and in my company provide pick-up truck for delivering goods, and this is suitable for your company, which operates in the field of delivering goods.
Quite clearly, my company does pick up pick list. Good. 3 years is quite a long time. Is there a possibility of negotiating as a honest contract?
Sorry, sir. We have a company policy with a minimum 3-year contract because it proposes stability in vehicle management. We are confident in the after-sales service we provide.
Our company uses pick up package for operation, but for new, we have annual services.
What if your company adds several vehicles for backup?
But for now, our company has enough package. I don't think we can turn this over at this time. We appreciate the time and opportunity given both platforms. Thus, you have provided do not fully meet our journeys.
Okay, fine, sir. Our vehicle come with a standard warranty, and we offer regular maintenance service to ensure optimal performance. We can also discuss any specific equipment you might have regarding warranty consultants addition service.
Yes, as you said. Another criteria aspect for us and environmental stability, I replace complain with local emission standards, and you offer any friendly options.
Absolutely, we comply with all local regulation, grading emissions, and we have hybrid and electric vehicle option if evolution certainly is a priority for your company.
Should you know? No. Let's talk about the financial trends. How do you online plan schedule and flexibility you can offer?
We typically offer flexible payment plans tailored to the needs of our corporate client. This can include installment option or bulk versus discount depending on the volume of vehicle you intend to acquire.
Thank you for the information. However, after careful consideration, I am afraid we will be able to proceed with this concept at the stage. The same person do not legitimate your exploitation and opportunity effectiveness.
I understand, sir. I appreciate your time and consideration. Could you please elaborate on which specific terms are not aligning with your appreciation versus there's room for adjustment on our end?
It's primarily about flexibility in warranty, terms, and the access, customization, option, waiver, but looking for a partner, we can offer more authorization solid social, fit or strategic goals.
Okay, sir, fine.
My order, I will need whatever I can contact you. Okay?
Okay, you can contact me at the number listed on the offer letter. Thank you for providing us with this input. If there are any change to our policy or offer in the future, we will be happy to contact you again.
Okay. You're welcome. Good luck with your because to other companies.
Thank you for your time and conversation. Good luck for the company too.
Thank you.
Thank you.